Hi everyone, my name is Igor Hamen. For my service learning project, I decided to do volunteer at Clean Life. Clean Life is a non-profit organization that has been serving the people of Greater Northeast Philadelphia for almost 4 years. Clean Life is built community among people of all ages and backgrounds. Clean Life is founded in 1975 by the businessman and philanthropic Raymond Client and his wife Miriam. Clean Life actually offers a variety of services such as health and wellness facility, after-school programs, summer day programs, fitness classes and league, cultural program and adult education classes. Clean Life serves almost 35,000 people annually. Among the vital social services, the center also provides programs for immigrants at risk, low-income families, senior aging with dignity, and more importantly, fighting for food security. Clean Life is actually the largest senior center in Philadelphia and provide almost 120,000 meals to 40,000 clients annually. Among those programs, I decided to do volunteer in food pantry program, specifically as a driver. My first day at Clean Life was orientation. The manager showed me all the program and asked me to choose one in which I will feel comfortable to do it. I decided to deliver food for elderly people. I think this was the best choice ever. Actually, my job consists of packing food in small bags. In those bags, there were a variety of food such as meat, fish, chicken, and vegetables. After putting food in the different bags, I have to deliver to all people who are not able to come in person to take food in food pantry. Actually, I'm delivering food for every Monday, and they would typically take 4 hours. Each week, I'm delivering food for 20 to 26 people around Northeast Philadelphia. After I finish delivering, I have to go back to the White House to do the report about my day. Going volunteer at Clean Life was a good experience that I'm never gonna forget it. This program did not only allow me to make a difference in life of those people in need, but it also allowed me to socialize with them, to know their pain. So one day I remember one guy, his name was Mike. He looked at me in the eyes and said thank you. And he mentioned that because of Clean Life program, he was able to eat and have hope for tomorrow. Until that day, I learned that small things can make a huge difference and a huge impact in life of someone. So, to end this food insecurity, we have to join our forces together to fight it. Those people in need our help. They need us in order to impact their life and to have hope for tomorrow. Taking a little bit of his time each week will help those in need is a good thing. I am glad that Sociology 101 give me a chance to help those in need this semester, and I would put more of my time in the future to impact my community. So I'm encourage everyone to do the same as I did this semester. It was an amazing experience that I will never forget it. Thank you so much for listening.